they go pay 65,000. This judge, my friend, money before you talk. If it be you, like by now, your family members, they plan how to sell the cocoa farm to come promote you. And Mahama, Hobson paid 3,000 for contempt. So John paid 10,000. Samuel Oku paid 5,000. And Akufo-Addo and his useless government. Ahana Eyasem no. There's no inflation. That we were convicted to fine of 65,000 because 3,000 can only be dragon's spray and Viagra. What has this got to do with Akufo-Addo? Court fines. What has that got to do with Akufo-Addo? Akufo-Addo, a mere finding one. My right to freedom of expression is inalienable. If you can't stand me, just die. Such a ridiculous and shameful judgment. Sika ashe, sika no ashe, brunya. Oh, all this stupidity. Say your right to freedom. No one asks you right to freedom. Say guess you right to freedom. You can't even come on Facebook and write this rubbish. Let me tell you. Just say what take it upon yourself. Kwasiampeni Jimmy for ungrateful being abuaba. So if all the young guys were NPP, one more abre, ebinum kraye pre-praum. Enya, the little that you got, NPP gave you now, and they are somebody now. I know some guy in Aboso Kainana, Nyame Adom, Nini Abusa for Abomodin, and Yama call Basaman, or Balandin, see. This guy went to Volta region, sleep in cars, 2016. Nina no. Say or percent MPP back power because of the MPP policies di and yes or percent MPP money baby MPP buy upon the year you ko prano or da hospital nana or aboso kan uja ni store uja obi store any no time there or buy any mum be there man because you try alternate you be a crank or any that me am here na sometimes me nya bibia na am de command say nya hwe abrabody sometimes go through all this even him Krano, he's still loyal to NPP. Kwasiampeni to say, yenum beating our people threaten our life. Any idea, me call Ghana, me can call him Papa ye, me name ye, if you upon Crawford DH, in some way in Canada. So I said, Crawford DH, and Suyanano, nothing, me hatching free NPP, the emergency of your policy, Papa, ever quenim. Embraya Juma or Ghana, who join Jimmy for what social media, then you tarnish people's image. Blackmailing people, and no now did. I said, when another was him say, court na motiho, and if you are so I can't say, and I call court. Wouldn't say, ye see will be for defamation, and Untina will be called radio so, or by radio, no, any panelist, no, or some disassociate ourselves from a summer you pay kind, a summer who can your war. Munina Mutina wouldn't say, Emra. What I say? So who nam wo Jimmy for some and nam na udi bonia me accomplish here me count. Enter a court umra. Won't you say go to court? And then Jimmy is on. There will be chin another the number. I then another on an judge. Esan say usubaya wo mu say you are tarnishing people's image inti. Always no. Eyode. Nanado on an judge. Was another the judge at the court. And then the useless MPP government, who nyame be tuaoka, usa boy, ube prepa, usa kwa mi plus. Kwa siampeni, useless MPP government, and yama MPP komo kan ubi. If it's a boy like you, Jimmy Fosa umo brano, omo buy and become contract akesi de ma, omo MPP de bianeka, they forget their grassroots. A man for a brew party nim, young boys are a do omo party ni ba ye no ye ni afiri so e de be na wo ye bo party ni victory o mo na muruam ai o my Ghana ye nko ye ni enze nra na afiasho issue ya oni chema wontumi any UTV na kwa me plus a panelist Mr. Logic a panelist and na Mama Brown na asem ne court na court nra no and now court which is any in Chester for a Dixon, any UTV there. Omo free as a minimum. Na Mama Brown or host. And a Kwame A plus and Mr. Logic and a Fiashua, no crowd. A man a restaurant and a oversan could them 10 days. Ne ade Kwame A plus ebitua 65,000 and a Fiashua and so ebitua na Kwame A plus ni Jimmy die. There be our cancer Jimmy for we asema. Na ibinum warm for several time. Me time. After all, no Kwame Plus and again or me kotan. Opportunities are when you are Ghana, so you'll be unim nyansa ni Jimmy and Yana. Kabay na Ganyan is ugusu ye budlekeno. So I just say, Konoa, what then ho? Go on, sorry, and the Tatatar and Crofo, entering who nye Juma nye yan san wedidi. Nkonoa will be Papa Bianco way. Unim nyansa. Sorry, issue ibai. Asema court. Court edi asem you're fine. So when you call to Nyadria, ubetimi akoya appeal because you're fine. And you're big deal. Ubetimi akoya appeal. Ewo court. So if you disagree with the court judgment, you can do appeal. Ubetimi achre waji. But sabi issue biya no na sabi ni Jimmy no okotwe nanado abom. But Kwame A plus life. Adia nanado President nanado ayama. So papa ye bimawa. Kenya wabra bonia ka say we good looking ene so ko politician we ho yes over the social media be kasa because the biamika say some of the youth in Ghana they are not serious, they don't even know what is important for their own life and you know say ubi ti say Kwame Plus the transfer on o kuma me no kuma Jimmy ubi a o kuma no e be encourage you and na obeye bibi e kire wabra bo say he is directing you to follow the right path so that we be able to. Ono sorry a oni mpenifu ya na nama omo hwibom ene ade. When your opportunity, kwa siasa an opportunity NPP, abanya also me useless. A bibia no kwatwe NPP because he is bitter. Ni Jimmy na mani lusu contract wo Boston. Any opportunity wunya e obu petrol free ni nema nema. Yenom de ya ma NPP kura no. Obi anu awama ye ibi kapre kura to kru dem but yen kura ne yen kasa eno asemi kokko to wi mo hwe nkwase asemi okotro nei men kan kakra nche yo tro ya ene eyi for bloggers na kofa or say as they take the money then the white for my eyes inside 110 yellow chai immediately then I want to write something for Facebook. We nanama see here another 65 bida to jai. So if they catch the people where they kill Jesus self,